It says, why so cereal? Let's open this box. I got sent the wrong one. Hi. We go to Costco. Ta-da, Costco. By the way, this is the Songdo branch.
Merchandising consideration
and job description and
Come with me and meal prep for the week. I bought containers. I'll be making eggplant. Open the box with me. Yay. Okay. But you know what? Fuck it. We're gonna get it back. It's a yogurt bowl, but cereal bowl. It's anything, honestly. Oh my god, it's so freaking cute. It comes with the disposable mask. Oh my god, finally it came. This is actually for my mom.